งดการมิคลายา Early Childhood Development Mission MECDM กาลับนลองกับ State Level Workshop กับชิสงีฮับปอฮัลลอร์กับพัง Early Childhood Development ฮักสงีนึงกองhaba ajing kran haka program Myntri Rangbah kejala Conrad Sangma ula kentui kinong simbenta jong kani kejing lang ban pai khmat chaka thong ka ba kham kraw bat ba amdei ban sim kani ka program kum ka program na ka banta kalong renyeng ki khana khlung ka badang shu sedang ki sedang san da ka ba sim ya ka bor perkhat ka perdan ki khana khlung ka sedang nadu karta ka ba prasnem walaupun paru ia kajing sengau dukha milsim jong u baka jala kum kawai ka imlang ka salang ka sedang ban pelik jumut bat pai khmat syaki khana ret tang anda kila kenjo ya ka khat san snem karta Myntri Rangbah ka jala ula ong ba ka khi ka san jong khana ka dei ban
change and the most difficult change to bring is not development. The biggest change and the most difficult change to bring is the change in the mindset of officials, of leaders, of public. And hence, this important change in the mindset is very critical. This early childhood development is going to be an investment, as mentioned. We will be able to make our children more productive. They will be having a much better thinking capacity. So therefore, it's not a small program, and please don't take it lightly. Program.